Hey everyone, my name is Max Doctor. I'm a member of the West DFW Real Estate Group, which Tim Cook is the head of. I also started and completed the Subject to workshop that Tim Cook completed in August 2020. And I'm just here to tell you if you're at all thinking about investing in real estate properties, Subject to, I think this is the perfect place to start. Um, you get a lot for what you spend. He exceeded my expectations in terms of what I expected. Um, you'll learn how how to recognize what deals can be pursued through Subject to, how to pursue those deals, how to market those deals. Tim really covers the full spectrum and how to do that. And so that was much appreciated. But on top of that, he also provides all the documents necessary, and documentation is necessary. And so that was very valuable as well. Me being, uh, I've never invested in a property before. I'm also young, just graduated college and transitioning careers. I don't have a lot of money saved up at the moment, so I was thinking I was going to have to wait a year, maybe 2 years until I invest in my first property because of down payment requirements. Subject to is the perfect example of something that I can pursue without a lot of money invested into the property. And so that's something that this workshop gave me a lot of confidence to start trying to find leads and start making offers sooner rather than later, because Subject to will allow me to do that. It also allows me to pursue rental properties, which is the buy and hold strategy is what I'd like to target first since I'm young. So any young investor who maybe doesn't have a lot saved up, I think this is the perfect class. Tim Cook's not looking to make a buck. He actually wants to make sure that this works for you and that you're going out and finding properties. He wants to help everyone in the industry. So I think this is a perfect place to start. I'd recommend. Um, if you're in a place like me, or even just you have a little bit more money saved up, but you'd like to know a good strategy, Subject to seems to be great, and Tim Cook is the great guy. He's the guru. Um, if you're looking to invest in real estate, the West DFW Real Estate Group is tremendous as well. Again, Tim isn't just looking to make a buck or push his own brand. He truly wants to help everyone in that group. Um, so if you happen to be listening to this testimonial, I'd recommend you go buy the Subject to workshop. It will be worth your time and money. And join the West DFW Real Estate Group, and hopefully I'll see you there. Thank you.